but yeah, like all Icelanders are like we are Vikings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, not me maybe. Well, I drink a lot and I kill people, but I'm no Viking. I mean, look at me. Like, I have the body of a 12-year-old in my car. It's true. No, I don't have a 12-year-old boy in my car. I don't own a car, so he's just in my basement. But it's okay. It's a nice guy. It's a nice kid. Like screams a lot. Help me! Help me! Like, it's cold outside. I'm just. Here's a blanket. Shut the fuck up. But yeah, like a nice kid. I'm gonna eat him one day. I don't know. That's just my thing. I eat 12-year-old boys. Like blowjobs, and like I eat them, like the whole thing, not the penis though. That's just the dessert or something. Like it's, you can't get full of a 12-year-old dick. You're like, what the fuck am I talking about? This is not even on my program, okay? Don't talk about 12-year-old dicks. Oh my god.